Assalamualaikum, my viewers. This is Hello IT World Learning tutorial channel for you. Today I am going to tell you short explanation of Python language. First of all, the explanation of Python. What is actually Python? So Python is a computer programming language often used to build websites and software, also automated tasks and conduct data analysis. It is a general purpose language, meaning it can be used to create a variety of different programs and isn't specialized for any specific problem. This versatile, along with its beginner's friendliness, has made it one of the most used programming languages today. Now, Python is very high in demand, and all the major companies are looking for great Python programmers to develop websites, software components, and applications, or to tasks with data science, artificial intelligence, as well as the machine learning technologies. Today, a Python programmer with 3 to 5 years of experiences with asking for around $150,000 annual package, and this is the most demanding programming language in America. These companies are enlisted here. These companies are enlisted here like Google, Intel, NASA, PayPal, Facebook, IBM, Amazon, Netflix, Pinterest, Uber, and many. So, okay, thank you very much. Stay tuned for our next tutorial where we will dive deeper into the fascinating realm of Python programming.